for nonsense work.
People are here. So friends, we enjoy today. हेलो नीरू, कैसी है? मजे में? कहाँ लगाओगे इसे? साल में?
महन
हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक।
किसी का ठंडा नहीं था?
ठंडा था,
ठंडा था।
काफी ठंडा था।
फिर तूने सहन किया?
बहुत पंजाब में इतनी ठंड रहती है।
पंजाब तो और भी ज़्यादा ठंडा होगा।
नहीं बाबा, ऑलमोस्ट बराबर ही था, दोनों में बराबर ही ठंड थी।
अच्छा।
यहाँ तो बहुत गर्मी है, वहाँ तो परसों तक हम वो आके बैठ रहे थे। बहुत आ ठंडा है तो
तुझे तो गर्मी तुझे अच्छी लगी होगी यार।
नहीं बाबा, वो भी अच्छा लग रहा था फॉर ए चेंज। 2 साल के बाद इतनी ठंड में अच्छा लगा।
हाँ, थोड़ी घर से ठीक ठाक होके आई। मम्मी ने खूब खिलाया।
नहीं बाबा, जितना नॉर्मल था।
हैं? चल अच्छा रहा। बैठ। विक्की कब आ रहा है?
वो विकी का भी फाइनल नहीं है, कब आ रहा है वो?
वो मोबाइल गिर गया। विक्की का पक्का नहीं है।
नहीं बाबा,
अब तो वो कुछ होके ही आएगा।
वो मुझे तो कह रहा था मैं 8-9 महीने से पहले हिलूंगा नहीं, बस किसी से बात नहीं, बस
हैं?
बस 8-9 महीने में किसी से बात नहीं करूंगा, बस सब भूल जाना मुझे 8-9 महीने।
8-9 महीने क्या करेगा?
पता नहीं बाबा, जो भी वो करेगा।
अरे वाह, अच्छा किया फिर उसने। ये अच्छा किया। 8-9 महीना में तो बच्चा आ जाएगा बाहर। 9 महीने तो लगते हैं, थोड़ा सा बड़ा बच्चा है, महीना 2 महीना ज़्यादा ले लेगा, है कि नहीं?
हाँ बाबा।
ठीक है। So what we do here? We do something? No need to do anything? No need to do anything. So we laugh and see each other. This is good idea. Not good idea? This is good idea. This is also the meditation. You look me, I look you. Whenever, without talking, without doing anything, we sit in front of each other. Very good idea? Nice. But this idea very difficult. It seems very easy, but I think not so easy. वाह, today I will come here and up and check one hut, which one is poor. This 5 hut, someone is poor. Poor. But I want to finish one hut and put 3 toilets there. Not good idea? But people are suffering for toilet. That's why I am feeling to one hut finish and nice toilet 3 there. So everybody has one toilet. Then people will be not hesitate to stay there. Not good idea. Then cancel. Very easy. Everything can cancel. Very good life actually. You start, you stop. Nothing is there. But somehow for you this is good idea.
For me, it would be nice, but not necessarily up there. No disturbance. But it's nice when you want to be with yourself, not to pass always through the people.
So I can make just close to you. That hut is good. Very close to someone. Then she will hurt somebody is coming. This idea came in my mind yesterday. Why people little bit hut very beautiful, anyway, natural and outside nice veranda and everything. Then I was feeling why people hesitate to go there. Then suddenly idea came in my mind. Maybe they are hesitating because of waiting in toilet or something. Some drama is not good there. So this I can solve very easy.
3 stories, Baba.
Very good idea.
Going up 3 stories,
No, it's not.
Free choice,
steps,
step.
very high. So elevator is needed.
It can possible. It can also possible. But I think elevator in certain level or physical level. If people want to very much high, then they arrange certain level attitude actually. They have to learn how can go up, how can go down without any excuse. It will be much better. Go and enjoy and come back without doing anything. So I will check this your question. The certain age people not allowed there, only young. Young means who is young, who is old? This is the question. I never feel somebody old. This is the problem. You ask to someone, nobody ready for old age actually. Everybody young. That's why until now I did not mind this thing. Why people are young. They can run. They can run on the river actually, here and there. So this is very easy. To few steps you can go there. No problem. But you are living very down. This problem you have not. Or you will be 20 years more young. Or 30? Around 20 more. For your young age. Then start old. After 20. Why are you laughing? You are old now? So, तू कब आया?
दोपहर को आया।
आज? सवेरे?
दोपहर को
फिर को आया? और सब बढ़िया? तेरी डॉक्टरी चल रही? So now we start some story. In my mind nothing is there. What to do?
Now a few things. First thing is, can we, but हिंदी बोलेंगे?
पहले हिंदी में बोल ले फिर अंग्रेजी में। जोर से बोल भाई।
ये साइलेंट सेटिंग में जो स्टेप जो विचारों पर ध्यान मतलब देखते हैं साक्षी की तरह, तो शरीर के किसी बिंदु पर किसी चक्र पर भी ध्यान कर सकते हैं क्या?
जैसे?
जैसे नाभि पर या हृदय पर?
हाँ कर सकते।
और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि जो ये आपने बताया था उस दिन, थॉट, ड्रीम और स्लीप, ये जो 3 स्टेप्स हैं, ड्रीम प्रोसेस बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है वो मतलब हमेशा आता रहता है, उसको तोड़ने का कोई और नहीं उपाय है। हमेशा वहाँ पर चलते फिरते सोचते हमेशा ड्रीम पॉसिबल आदमी बहुत जल्दी
Everybody has it this. That's why I explained that 90% are people are sleepy. 90% people are living in sleepy consciousness during the work, during the talk, during the sitting also, during the eating. Little bit they are aware about eating, more aware than other things. Little bit aware. But mostly people are. One of the biggest impression we have by sleep, much impressed, means fully involved. That's why people has need to do little bit active something also. Yoga, pranayama, then kundalini or other kind of meditation is needed. Means you have lot of carbon dioxide and less amount oxygen. You are not fully in life. So first thing people need to change the breathing attitude. Breathing attitude. If you change your breathing going unconsciously, and unconsciously you are getting the breathing, it is क्या हुआ इधर लगा
ऊपर वाले उस पे लगा देना।
ये बड़ी आफत सी लाइक एटम बम। People has need to change the breathing attitude. Actually, if you want to do something for awareness, then little bit you try to manage your awareness by breathing. 24 hours you try little deep breathing. Now people have breathing 25% only. 75% they can manage if they want. And you are happy, you are in life, and what you are doing, all kind of activities, you are doing with 20%. And you have capacity for 100%. So you cannot be satisfied with your any act, because every act you are doing with sleepy posture. When you are sleepy, you can't enjoy. You are doing any kind of things, or you are sleepy. Then the work is burden. Somehow your life is burden. You have a lot of burden together with life, because you are living with only 25%. So you are getting the breathing just for survive life, otherwise you will die. So everybody has a breathing quantity for they can survive life. They can survive. They are not enjoying, they can survive only. And people are since long time agree for only surviving life. They don't want to be happy, blissful. and dancing attitude. If you change 1 week your attitude, 1 week here, you change by willpower. Now start full breathing. There will be sure effort, sure, because since childhood to now, big gap. When you were child, it was natural. Child getting breathing fully. Child living with life 100%. You surprise, 100%. That's why child, you can't compare the activities of child with you. They can do many things. Moment to moment. They are enjoying very nicely. And never tired, fresh. Why? They are in natural process. And we are less breathing, more thinking. I think much thinking and less breathing. And people had this idea, very much thought. Every empty things want to be filled up. The existence has this attitude. If something is empty, then something will go there. It will be filled up. If you are filling the blanks, space by breathing, then automatically thought cannot reach there. Because you have something before thought. If you are not feeling, then thought feeling. This is byproduct. Just like, for example, if in the garden you are not doing very good work and nice plant, then unnecessary things grow. Nobody take care, but it grow very fast. This thought, like a garbage, the automatic comes. Automatic, without invitation. You have no invitation for any thought. You surprise. But there comes a lot to you. Because this whole environment full with thoughts. Everybody releasing. So they are moving. And you are not full with your oxygen, then it will fill up by thought process. You surprise. Because existence has filling the blanks. This is the quality of existence, filling the blanks. If any blank thinks, existence filling by something. Here, this is the law of existence actually. If somewhere you can see the air has a gap, then cloud comes. Immediate. Air has a big gap because existence has this quality, filling the blanks. Immediate. If you have empty in your mind and there is no real things, then thought entered there. So 1 week you try. If you are filling by oxygen, oxygen means prana, vital energy. The filling should be by vital energy. If vital energy cannot reach there, then thought reach there. And thought fill up the blanks. Then people are suffering. Because always people have unnecessary thought. Unnecessary, there is no need. Thousands of thoughts are working there. And you want to avoid. Direct, there is no way. You cannot do anything. You try all kind of situation, but you can't do anything. If you want to be free with this process, filling the blanks. So start breathing. Morning to evening, 25 to 26, 27, 28, and slowly you will reach around 75. When you will have a 75% filling by vital energy, then thought can melt there. Thought entered there, but they will melt. Because vital energy is more powerful than thought energy. So thought will be entered there, then melting there. They will finish. They will not go here and there. That's why I am saying people have need to good digestion, not only stomach, here also. Here should be good digestion. Anything can come digest. Just dilute. It will convert to energy. Then nothing is barrier. And everybody has this problem. People asking same question, how can free with this thought process? And there is no answer. No one can give answer for that actually. Because their technique can work. Understanding not work there. Technique work. If you try with understanding this or that to avoid this process, very difficult. Because fundamental mistake happen. And you have to correct this fundamental mistake. That's why this dynamic and other much meditation happening. When somebody doing any kind of meditation like a Nad Brahmo dynamic, they change the breathing. Only they change the breathing attitude. Then finish dynamic, no need. If you change your breathing attitude, no need to do any kind of active meditation. Because now you know, because you are the child now. And child has no need to do any technique. By self it happens with children. They are enjoying. Their thought cannot enter and much vital energy. Everybody has need to be child. You cannot happy without childhood. If you are feeling you are more than child, then surprise, you cannot happy. And different things, any things can come from outside. And child avoid. Or any kind of the question comes here and there. And they can listen, yes. Just like they ask. For example, the child comes from where? And father answered very simple. And they accept it's okay. It's okay. They satisfied. It's okay. And they again run for play. They are playing very nicely. Because just they are curious about this. They look the child, then they ask it, child comes from there. And father said, it comes from the garden. One day, I was in garden, I got you. But child has no other argument. The child said, it's okay. You find, it's okay. No problem about it. Because they have, here, if somebody asks question like this, you will kill him. And somebody give answer wrong, then you kill him. How can you give this answer? Because your childhood completely disappear. Completely. And childhood is the life. So how can we go back to childhood? The different, only the different, they were living natural. We are living artificial. Totally artificial. And this artificial life cannot be happy. Very difficult. So please, we enjoy our life here. To be child. You live like you are child. And everybody is child here. Nobody has any wisdom here actually. Everybody like child. This will happen in your experience when you start the change breathing attitude. The all kind of meditation techniques breaking your habit. You are living a certain habit, you have to break it. Then automatically you will be changed. Because this habit comes by society, by environment and by atmosphere also. But it's okay. Until now, all kind of stupidity be done, we accept it. But tomorrow not. We crying a lot before, but tomorrow not. Tomorrow will be happiness. Everybody has a future. Everyone has future. Or your future is happiness. Remember it. Always future. Future to future. Happiness to happiness. You have only one future. To be happy. To be enjoy. To be celebrate. This moment also. But remember, you have no other future except happiness. Then how can you live in happiness? If our future is happiness, then this moment should be happy. This moment belongs to next moment. If you are not happy here, then you will be not happy with future. When you will be future, then this moment will be there. And you are again crying. Because you have a very great habit for crying, not for happiness. So breaking this habit, we try to deep breathing. Even you are doing work, you are doing meditation, or you are doing any kind of things, even you are sleepy, little bit. When you are check this thing actually, automatically breathing goes natural when you are in sleepy attitude. When you are sleepy, then you watch your breathing going very deep, very deep. Somebody can hear. It goes up to here actually. When, if you are not dreaming that time, if you are not dreaming, if you are real in sleepy attitude, you are natural. By nature you goes natural there. That's why beautiful. That's why you survive the life. Why not when we are here and now? When we were child, it was there. And we were in sleepy, it was there. Why not here? Same amount breathing attitude should be here. So we change the breathing system. So no need to do anything. If you are like in this Vipassana attitude, I am not saying for long time, but certain time people need to do this. Then automatically, without effort, it will happen. Then you are not trying, automatically, because you will have a more than enough vital energy. Then automatically, According to vital energy, breathing going less and less automatically. When you will have a fully vital energy according to you, then you surprise, you can live without breathing. Just like you can feel, I am not getting breathing. No need. Because there is no space. And there will be no thought also. There will be no thought. Very less thought. According to breathing, according to vital energy, same amount, you have a less vital energy, more thought process. Natural it comes. If you have a more vital energy, less thought process. Just for, thought will be there just for use. Or things are there just for use. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Just for use. Otherwise, no need. When you need, then thought comes. It's enjoy with thought. But here, not for use. Thoughts for suffering, not for use. Mostly thought for suffering. You are suffering with thought process. This is great mistake happening with human being. Mostly people complain to me, much thought comes. Very difficult drama. I know this thing. I watch something. The people are living in thought process. And you ask the question, if you will have a more vital energy, then there is no need to sleep. You will be fully awake daytime. Your all kind of activities will be automatically awake in full of mind. If you will have enough, more than enough vital energy, then your mind fully satisfied with you. Because mind is not searching anything. Mind will be there, but not for search. If no vital energy, the mind is searching some glimpse. And thousands of techniques happening there. And you are exhausting. You are losing there. You are not getting anything. So, we start like this. When vital energy will be there, then less thought process automatic happen. Less process of the thought, awareness. Same time you are aware. Awareness people cannot maintain direct. You are trying to be aware by thought process. Impossible. You are trying, but you have more than enough sleep. Then sleep attack there, then all your process disappear. You are trying 15 minutes, 20 minutes, then sleep attack there. Then whole system disappear. Then you will feel nothing can happen. Actually, awareness comes by self from you. When you are over in vital energy, over. Just like if somebody has a lot of money, then richness comes automatically. Otherwise, richness has own not existence. When lot of money you have, then the current of richness comes. You are feeling you are rich. Like a vital energy you have more than enough, then you are rich with this process. It means you will be rich with life. Here you are rich, artificially rich, because of money. Rich, this richness for others, not for you, for showing. Otherwise, rich or poor people both are eating 2 chapati, little less. So same amount, everybody has it. Food and sleeping arrangement and everything, you have like a Clinton or what is the name actually? Clinton or what name? American
Gates.
somebody else.
Bill Gates. Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Bill
Yes,
Gates.
yes. But what he is doing? He is eating 2 chapati. You are eating, you have a bed, you are sleeping. So in this way you are same. But sowing he is rich. But here, not for sowing. This richness, not for sowing. This richness for living. That richness for not for living, for sowing. Because same amount everybody has it. So not especially for living. But this richness, you have a more than enough energy and more than enough awareness, then you are rich. You are the richest person. But not for sowing, for life, for enjoyment, for living with life. You are rich. It should. This richness we are searching. How can be rich? Deep down, everybody has this thirst. Everybody. Or we are searching. The technique like this. You start. Which kind of technique you are doing? You develop your vital energy amount. When you have a more than enough, then automatically you surprise. Just like with money, somebody become rich, feeling rich, of course for others. And when you have a more than enough vital energy, awareness itself comes. Itself, because of vital energy, then less thought process. Then by nature, you are rich. Then you will feel dance, you will feel love, you will feel ecstasy, you can feel anything because you are the rich person. Just like a rich person can buy anything. You can do all kind of activities for happiness. All kind activities for happiness. Because you are already happy. Just like somebody is rich, can buy any rich car. Just enjoy, not for ego. Because he is. You can dance, you can laugh, you can enjoy, you can share. Because you are the rich. So you can do many things in the world nicely. So, with any technique, I am not saying only this technique, many techniques for that. You do it. Simple to simple technique, change the breathing attitude. This is very simple technique. You are sitting, you can go very deep with you, with mindfulness. With mindfulness, breathing goes very deep. If breathing is going very deep, mindfulness comes. Surprise, automatic it happens. If you are in very deep breathing, automatically mindfulness comes. Because there, mind is not doing drama there. And slowly, mind and breathing has a nice tuning. Mind and vital energy, not breathing, vital energy, has a very nice tuning actually. They were separate since many years. First time they will be in front of each other, and both will be together. Then real happiness comes. Then you will feel the real feeling center. You have a real feeling center. When your mind and your vital energy merge with each other, play with each other, nicely play with each other, then the result, you will have a very beautiful feeling. The feeling comes. It will merge to your all kind of sense. It will merge. Then every sense will be happy. Then you will not see the flower for sucking. You will see the flower for giving. You will not see the somebody else for sucking. You will see the somebody for giving, because you have more than enough. And this is not miracle, and this is not for special somebody else. This possibility, all of us, we have it in this moment. In this moment. Only the people need to change the attitude. Break this habit. And deep breathe. When you are walking, during the walking, deep breathe. Everything you are doing. People have, where people have deep breathe, when they are in sex. Very deep breathing. Because there is need to more energy. You have not energy for that. So automatically by nature it comes, you are getting deep breathing there. Knowingly or unknowingly. You watch it. It goes very deep. Like you are asleep. There. There also. Very deep. When you are in sexual instrument, then it goes very deep. Remember it. Because deep breathing, why deep breathing happens there? You have need there. More energy for enjoyment. That's why it goes like this actually. If you have a breathing like this in normal and not doing anything, then you will not happy. When you are there, you are very deep, automatic, by nature. It is the culture. There you are like a child. You are in very deep breathing. It goes up to here. You watch it. Even the thought of sexuality comes, automatically your breathing going here. Automatically. You watch this thing, what I am saying actually. This is natural phenomena. And when you are living in this kind of attitude, then you will be, because you are not adjusting, and that position you are adjusting same time. That's why that breathing is very useful for you. Tantra, they have some certain type of technique. You live there actually without adjusting. Then you will be more happy like this. So this, I am not allow anybody else. Here, you can get deep breathing and live here. So you are not using, you are not adjusting anywhere, then you will have more than enough. This is the very good technique, very good. Everybody knows, I think. Everybody knows. Sometimes you did also. But mind create barrier there also in starting. Because when you will have a deep breathing, then mind will commit suicide. Whole mind process mechanism disturb. Everything going disturb then. The mechanism of the mind breaking. So there, mind create lot of drama. It can create anxiety. It can create fear. It can create uneasiness. Many things. But your willpower very strong. It's okay. I don't listen to you. I am going with my own, with willpower. There will be willpower. Okay, I listen since long time you, but now no. Now I am going with my own. Or you will continue. 7 days. I am saying 7 days. I will come back then I will ask who was 7 days. Maybe you will change. Everybody change within 7 days. You surprised. Much change will happen. Like this. So any more things?
But about somewhere I have also read in Osho literature, probably in Tao Te Ching, of that when you breathe, so your lungs should not go up and down. Breathe, whole air should go in your air, or sorry, in your stomach, up to your navel, मतलब नाभि तक जाना चाहिए, और पूरी सांस बाहर आनी चाहिए. और जैसे आप ऐसे पढ़ेंगे श्वास के नियम, तो उसमें क्या है कि सांस आनी चाहिए फेफड़े में, क्योंकि जो ऑक्सीजन एब्जॉर्ब करती है बॉडी वो फेफड़े से करती है.
ये गलत आइडिया है. सांस हमेशा फेफड़े में ही जाती, नाभि में जाती ही नहीं है. किसी डॉक्टर से पूछना. ये आपका गलत आइडिया है. सांस पेट में चली जाए तो मर जाओगे. सांस पेट में नहीं जाती.
तो जो नाभि खींचते हैं फिर
नाभि, सांस जब जोर से लेते हो तो नाभि में सेंसेशन बढ़ता, सांस नहीं जाती. सांस की चोट नाभि में नहीं लगती है. तुम सोचते हो नाभि से सांस लेते हो. किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर से मिलना, वहाँ से होगा आपकी बात. सांस का सिस्टम फेफड़ों से है, और फेफड़ों में ही वाइटल एनर्जी ज़्यादा चाहिए. फेफड़ों में ही कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा समाई है. जब तुम जोर से सांस लेते हो, डीप ब्रीदिंग लेते हो, फेफड़ों में ही लेते हो, नाभि में नहीं लेते, तो नाभि अपने आप ऊपर नीचे होती है, क्योंकि उससे पूरा सिस्टम जुड़ा हुआ. तो आपने कहीं गलत पढ़ लिया है वो, तो फेफड़ों में नहीं जाएगी तो फेफड़े सूख जाएंगे. He is asking wrong question actually. Very wrong question it was. So I told him. He said, if I am getting breathing with navel center, then I will feel my whole lungs will be dry. He said. Then I said, you are always getting breathing to lungs only, not to navel. But you will forcefully taking breathing with lungs, then automatically this center will be up and down. The breathing cannot reach to stomach. It is not medical approved actually. If you ask to someone, then he will say you are stupid. Because if breathing can leakage from the lungs, you will die. It has a totally connection with lungs. The whole system. When you breathe, it will go to lungs. And I am saying the development of the vital energy, your lung, not navel. But when you will have a deep breathing with lungs, automatically navel center will be up and down. Like this.
And that is what called belly breathing. The same thing is called belly breathing. Belly breathing. belly.
नहीं, वो लंग्स में ही आई, नाभि में नहीं आई. Because if breathing can go to navel, then go to down. Then you will die actually. If you avoid the lungs and breathing system is working here, then like a water. There are two systems. We have two systems. Very science, very scientific this whole system. When you are drinking or eating, the breathing system off. They are covered. There is one certain type of cover. When you are breathing, then this system covered. What is phenomena? Why existence? What is miracle here? This science. Both time, both cannot open. You surprise, you can ask to doctor. Both system at a time cannot work. If by mistake something can go do breathing pipe, then you will die. Even water can go to breathing pipe. Then you finish. And breathing can go to water pipe. Then also difficulty. What a great system here. When you are breathing, here somebody covered automatically. It goes like this. And when you are breathing, then other part close. Then you are eating, then other part close. What a great system by nature. Nature is great. So don't think this stupid idea.
Baba, when you breathe so much energy, vital energy, lots, full, 100%, no need for food,
Only
no need for
no
food.
need to food.
Oh.
Many people did this. They live only with oxygen. And few people did like this type of technique. They can go to earth for 7 days. 7 days you cover. Here in India, many people did like this technique actually. But they did for sowing. Then after the cab they come out, then lot of money comes. Then people are worshipping them. This is it's called false samadhi. But it happened. This is 100%. You will get a deep breathing. Automatically you will have a less food. Very less food. One day you will have, like a Mahavira did this technique. And he was living once a month. He was eating once a month. Very less food. And he was looking very nice. No problem. Many people are here in India. I heard our Osho Sannyasi somewhere. He got this technique. Where he is? I heard somewhere he is Osho Sannyasi. But by chance he got this technique. So he is not eating. But of course drinking. Drinking is needed. Eating not needed. Because all kind of eat you are eating, it is coming by sun energy. But you are eating byproduct. Like a wheat, like a coffee, like everything. Everything coming from sun energy. All kind of fruit coming by sun energy. So our system is not ready to take direct. So we are getting from this way. But many sadhu has this type. One time my idea also, in my mind idea also, I will do like this. And 7 days I was there actually. But it was not good idea for me. Then nicely I was eating very and enjoying. Otherwise I cannot be with you. If you want to connection with people, then you have to get something from this world. It is needed. Then you can enjoy with people. Otherwise, deep down, you are only the one. Then this technique is. Many sadhu in Himalayas, they did many kind of technique for surviving life. They have it. So, we don't go there. But you are deep breathing. In deep breathing, you will have a less sleep, less food. Or it is not harmful. You are around 50. No, 40? 51.
63, Baba.
51.
63.
Oh, this is good amount for this technique. This is very good amount for this technique. I allow these people after 50. Before 50, people have many nonsense things. They have to do nonsense things. That's why I said it's okay, you can eat what you want. But after 50, people can go 50-50. 50% you live on the food and 50% you live with your own breathing. You start within 7 days, your food will be half here. And you will not be. You will not be. You will be, because the vital energy from the food in 1 kg is tiny like this, vital energy. All garbage. All garbage. Lot of toilet tank full with this garbage. Mostly garbage, very less amount vital energy comes. If you are getting breathing, then there is no garbage. There is only vital energy. You surprised. So I allow people half-half. Half you enjoy here, half you enjoy here, like this. It will be much better. Otherwise, I don't want to Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is not our type actually. I don't want. You do like it. Slowly, slowly you start your breathing lovingly, and you will have a deep breathing, less thought, less food, less sleep. When you will search where is the sleep, now you are feeling, you are searching where is without sleep, always sleepy. And totally opposite it will happen. When you will have a lot of vital energy, you surprise, you will not find sleep. Sleep will come very less when you are on the bed 2 hours, 2.5 hours, enough.
For 1 day.
For 1 day. 2 are enough. 12 to 2. Enough. Then you can enjoy. Or you will be happy. And less garbage. Remember it. And less money paying. Because for vital energy, nothing to pay. For garbage, okay. So friends, Baba is leaving tomorrow for 7 days. So without Baba, Baba is here. So enjoy nicely. And if you go according to this technique, then hopefully I will see your face. Okay.